Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no.
Welcome back, guys, and yes, you've read the title correct. We are doing a jerk steam fish, but let us get right into it. Right, so these are the ingredients. We have our bay leaf, pimento seed, thyme, scallion. We have our Irish and our pumpkin along with our carrots in some water, and these are cubed nicely. We have our jerk seasoning, and this jerk seasoning is a homemade jerk seasoning, so look out for it coming soon. And we have our snapper, guys. Look at these, beautiful, right? So let us get right into the seasoning, and all we're going to use on these bad boys is that jerk seasoning, guys. Yes, one ingredient, and it's that jerk seasoning. So let's go, right? Starting with the smaller one first, right? Look at that. Just going to put a generous amount. And this jerk seasoning, guys, is hot and spicy, right? Follow us on our couples channel, that's King and Ali, and I have the chef Instagram on the screen where you can follow us so you don't miss any information about these sauces and stuff.
Yeah, guys, so I don't know, it's all about Globalist Interaction JA. Yeah, the bad seasoning them and the bad spice and the bad sauce, them will come out soon. We have some sauces that is already on the market, so you can look forward for them. You understand? If you don't want to place your order.
Yes,
place
guys, look at that.
Get your own.
Beautiful. And I'm going to start with the second one. Get it all up in there, guys. The head everywhere, because I know you guys will definitely enjoy this, right? Everywhere, beautiful. Guys, if you notice, I'm using a glove because, as I said before, this is hot and spicy. And you know, with fish, expect that fly, but swap them out of the place, right? And there you have it, guys. Jerk steam fish. So let's go.
Soon forward again. We're going to just go over to the water till they heat up. So we're going to add the, you know, the thing up. I'm not about to talk too much, just forward.
Yes, guys, look at that. The water coming to a boil, and we're going to add our scallion and thyme, our bay leaf, and our pimento seed, right? Flavor up the pot from now. We're going to add our jerk seasoning, guys. And as we said, this jerk seasoning is homemade, so be on the lookout for it. We want that jerk flavor to be evident, guys, right? And bear in mind, you don't have to add any pepper in it because it's already hot and spicy. In everything we do, we must have flavor and taste. Some salt and pepper or mother seasoning. You don't know the vibe, guys. That's about it. Stir up this and get this flavor going. The aroma from this is so amazing, so we're just going to allow all of this to come to a boil and get aromatic and flavorful. Then we'll add our ground provisions to cook so forward. Yes, guys, so it's that time. So we're going to add our carrots, pumpkin, and our Irish potato as we stated before. You don't know, allow these to cook until al dente, right? But before we reach that al dente stage, we're going to add our fish and okra at that half-minute point, right? So I'm just going to now add some butter because butter makes it all better. Just going to allow this to come to a boil and cook these halfway. Then we'll add our fish and that okra. So forward. Yes, guys, so we've reached that halfway mark. Look at those bubbles, nice and bubbling. So we're just going to add our fish, and remember, these are already seasoned with that lovely jerk seasoning, right? And it's 2 fish, guys, so you're just going to add that one right there. And as we said, we're going to add some okra, right? Put it at the sides. Alright guys, so we are catching up back when this is finished cooking and ready to be plated. So forward. Yes guys, it's that time for that turn. Beautiful guys, the pot kind of full. Beautiful, right? So we'll see you guys again when it's time for the plating. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers for spam up the comment section. And remember, tell us what you think about this jerk steam fish. So forward. Yes guys, start dropping them comments and look at the beauty of the fish guys. Look how this is so big. Look at that. Drop it down in the comment section and tell us if you would enjoy this jerk steam fish.
And tell us what you think about it too, guys. Some juice.
Yes guys, remember follow our business Instagram, that's Globalist Interaction JA, no space. We also do lunch orders and stuff. We'll have a menu over there so you can check it out and place your orders, right? And this is going with some plantain tostones, tostones. Yes guys. Beautiful, right? Lovely. Alright guys, remember, spam up the video with some like, leave your honest comments, thoughts in that comment section. Yes, leave your honest comments and thoughts down in the comment section. Share because you care. Follow our couples channel, that's King and Ali. We have a whole listing of the sauces over there and stuff. So until next time,
Bye foodies. Bang, bang, boom.
remember guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?